Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use the free teleprompter feature on CapCut. So this is one of the new feature on CapCut that you can use when you want to take a video so that you'll remember what to say on camera. So to use the feature, you can just open the CapCut and then click on the prompter at the top right corner. And here the camera will be open like this, and there will be a teleprompter on your screen that you can edit with your own text here. You can just copy and paste your script in here, and after that just click on done. But before starting to record your video, you can also adjust the text, like you can adjust the speed of the teleprompter. You can also adjust the font size like this, and also the color of the text like so. And you can also move the teleprompter. If you want it at the bottom, you can just drag it like this, and you can choose the duration of the clips that you want to take. And when you're ready, you can just click on the green button here and start recording your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment if you have any question, and also subscribe. Bye.